I think a lot of people talk about the importance of emptying your mind or clearing your mind, meditation. It's so important. Fewer people make a big deal out of what I think is important, and that is not only do we uproot, but we have to replant. We've got to put truth in there. We pull the untruth out, but we deposit real truth in there. And for me, as I've already mentioned, these are scriptures. These are truths that come right out of the Bible. And it could also be truths that come from a life well lived. You know, somebody who we look up to, who we admire, who has a proven track record. You know, a bad example of this, I won't say any names, but a person on television yesterday said that marriage should be a 5-year deal. Every 5 years you renew whether or not you're going to stay married or not. Where in the world did that come from? By the way, she's a 4-time divorcee. So and so I think, well, okay, somebody's going to take that and say, okay, that's a truth. Well, that's not a truth. That's not. I would rather find a truth that's embedded in Scripture, or find somebody who's been married 50 years and say, tell me how to do this, right? And so we find a reliable source of truth, and we uproot the falsehood, and we replant with truth. And one last thought on this. Jesus did that. There's a classic story of Jesus in the wilderness being tempted by the devil. And every time the temptation came, he just said, "It is written." And he would quote a scripture. So if he was quoting scripture, or if he was depositing truth in his brain with scripture, it makes sense that I attempt to do the same.
If you could take a second and hit that red button below this video, it would mean the world to me. It's kind of what fuels this show, and it's free for you to do. Just subscribe to the show, and if you want to, you can like the episode, which helps it get out to more people. It really means a lot to us. Thanks.